Packing tape and napkins make beautiful, soft embellishments. And our 4 mini challenge in the challenge winners for July at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. At the end of this video, we'll be drawing for the 4 mini challenge in the challenge winners from the July journal from a simple kit. And but first, I wanted to do a little video using packing tape and a napkin. This is one of my favorite little tricks. And so I've taken a piece of the transparent tape. I'm going to put it over our sweet little bird right here. And you want to make sure, apparently, that it's the top of the napkin. I just did it where it was underneath, and I totally lost my image. So you'll notice that there is a little tray of water on the desk here. Don't tell my dad. There's never supposed to be water on the drafting table. I'm just going to take our sweet little bird and I'm going to put him in the water to soak for a couple seconds. And then I'm going to take our paper here, our napkin, and you know what? We've got 2 spaces up here that look like they are just the right size. So let's go ahead and put our tape here, cut around it. So I do have another video, a peacock video showing this technique. And so I will put that video also in the description box down below. Do check it out. And if you like peacocks, I will put the videos that go along with that there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off, and you see we have the image. Okay, just faintly we have our little bird, which is kind of cool because it's really, really faint and different. And so then we also can go ahead and put in our, you want to make sure that it's stuck really, really well to your tape. I've done this with magazines as well. This is a really faint napkin, but it's the one that I've been using for this, for the August Altered Junk Journal Challenge. So go ahead and take it off. The really cool thing is the image will stay, it'll stick, part of the image will stick on to the sticky tape. And then when the tape dries, it will get it sticky back. So there you can just faintly see the images. And we'll go ahead and put that there. Now, the magic of TV, we would be dry. So here is our bird image. And I'm just going to go ahead. I was going to put it here, but I think he's so faint you'll totally lose him. I'm going to put him here on the white. And you can see when we press him down, yes, he's very faint, but we do have the bird image. And then if we come over here and do this, we also have the floral image. So that is our image transfer from a napkin. And then you can just cut these out. They can become decorations on, on your pages, on your cards. They would make a great bookmark because it is laminated. You could just go ahead and We'll put a saying on the other side and laminate it as well. So there's our beautiful little bird. Like I said, it's faint, but isn't it pretty? Okay, so let's go ahead and we have first our drawing. Now there's 13, the numbers 1 through 13 in this bag. The numbers 1 through 13 are in this bag. And let's go ahead and make sure that the little string's out. They're all, see, they're folded. And I'm going to go ahead and the first one has 13 names. So go ahead and pick. And it's number 4. And number 4 is Laura Jo. Congratulations, Laura Jo. I don't have my glasses on, you guys. I can't read the whole name. So there you go. Laura Jo, number 4. Congratulations. You will be invited to the late spring one sheet for now, and then you'll be also invited to the summer one sheet once it gets put into the group. Okay, so here we have mini challenge in the challenge number 2, and we had 13 entries for that one as well. You want to make sure that you are putting your entry underneath the appropriate post, okay, to be entered. Okay, and this time we have lucky number 7. Lucky number 7 is Robin Odell Stepp. Congratulations, and you'll also get your invitation. So let's go ahead and fold that back up, put it inside. Mini challenge in the challenge number 3. We also, again, had 13 people finish it. Each week, normally each week we do a mini challenge in the challenge. The last couple of months have been very challenging for me. So they've gone out when I could put them out. Okay, but we still have had them. We still have done them. Great ideas. The really cool thing about mini challenge in the challenge, you don't have to be participating in the big challenge to enter the mini challenges, and you do not have to use your mini challenge items in your big journal. So here we go. Our winner this time is number 11, Melissa Vogel. Congratulations. You will get an invitation to the late spring digital. The invitation is already in the July Journal from a Simple Kit challenge group. So, but I'll only be letting the people in that have won. Okay, so now challenge number 4. We only had 9 entries. So if I pick a number that is not 1 through 9, then we'll draw until we get a 1 through 9. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Who do we got? Number 8. Marcy Stein Davis. Congratulations. You have also got an invitation to the late spring digital and then the summer digital also when it gets put into the group. So congratulations to Marcy, to Melissa, to Robin, and to Laura Jo. Go out and try the tape technique. It's really fun, and the images turn out amazing. Also, don't forget to check out the peacock video down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye. Bye-bye.